TactaDraw is a drawing application which demonstrates how the TactaPad enables powerful and intuitive user interfaces. With your hands over the TactaPad, you have quick access to anything on the display. This is especially useful when selecting tools and using them on the canvas. You can quickly alternate between your hands and spend less time navigating and more time working. Since you can see through your hands, you always have single pixel pointing precision. Using the TactaPad's multi-touch capability, you can move more than one shape at the same time, and you can even use both hands to draw multiple shapes simultaneously. By grabbing one shape in two places at once, you can both move and rotate it in a smooth, intuitive manner. Notice how you can use more than one finger from the same hand as well. Say I want to move this shape further up the canvas. Normally I would drag it and wait for the auto-scrolling to start, which often seems to go too fast or too slow. But with the TactaPad, I can simply grab the scroll bar with my other hand and move right where I want to, and then let go of the shape. Tactile feedback provided by the TactaPad adds another level of control and richness to the application. For example, this delete button not only looks disabled, it feels disabled. It is stiff and buzzes lightly when pressed. Since tactile feedback is communicated directly to the touch which is performing a given task, it is more certain to be noticed by the user. This line width slider provides tactile feedback as well. You can see it snapping to whole point sizes, and each time it does, I feel a tap through my finger. This way I can focus on the shape I'm changing and not the slider. Just by feel, I can tell how much I've changed the line thickness. Furthermore, by pressing firmly and deeply, I can unlock the slider and stop the snapping. I feel a sharp pull, and now I can smoothly adjust the line thickness. It doesn't tick when I drag it now, so I can feel that the snapping is off. Other standard controls can be improved by adding a tactile dimension. These scroller buttons vary scrolling speed depending on how hard I am pressing them. Notice how I can easily move through the document quickly or slowly. The tactile response is a smooth springiness. This gives the buttons a feel which matches their behavior. Let's look at the toolbar buttons. Since the TactaPad supports multiple touches, there's no need for a keyboard equivalent for speedy access. I can use my other hand right here on the display. The result is more intuitive with no memorization required. For example, I can press and hold this button to add and remove shapes from the selection. And by pressing firmly and deeply on the button, I can lock it on. Now I can use both hands to select or deselect objects, which is significantly faster. Or say I'm drawing some shapes near the edge of the canvas. I want to move the document up and do more drawing. I can press and hold the hand tool with my other hand, move the canvas, and then release it to draw. Notice how the tool reverted to my previous choice, so I can continue right where I left off. I can also press firmly to lock the hand tool on. Now with two touches, I can rotate the entire canvas. Even better, by grabbing the canvas and pulling it apart, I can zoom in for detailed work. And I can push the touches together to zoom back out. When the canvas is close to upright, it snaps square, which is reinforced by a tap through my fingers. Finally, let's look at the toolbar controls for formatting shapes. By using my second finger to press the line style button, the panel will pop up right under my pointer finger. Now I can make my changes and then quickly use my second finger again to hide the controls. And since there is a direct mapping between the TactaPad and the display, each of these toolbar buttons is always in the exact same physical location. My hand can find them quickly and automatically. Thanks for watching our TactaDraw demo. You've seen how the tactile, immersive, and two-handed TactaPad can be used to increase productivity.